he wins the lottery, there is a very slim chance of winning the lottery, but if he does win, he will go to Spain. If David had studied, he would have passed the test. So this talks about past. Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss conditionals. What are conditionals? Conditionals are basically conditions, permutations, right? Conditional sentences are statements discussing known factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. In mathematics, we often study about conditions. If x plus 24 is equal to 48, what is x? It is a condition. We have to find if. The word if has come. So, we have to find the value of x. That is, we know, we basically know the condition type. Okay. So, what are different conditional types in English? The first one is zero conditional. Its purpose is used for general truths of facts. It is used for general truth. If this happens, the result will be this. We already know it. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it starts to boil. We know it for a fact, and that's why it's a zero conditional. Second one is first conditional, used for real possibilities in the present or future. It is used for real possibilities. This can happen, or this has a 90% chance of happening. For example, Aman will pass the exam if he studies hard. If you don't study hard, if you're lax, you will not pass the exam. But if you study hard, you will pass the exam. This is a condition called as first conditional. Okay, this marks a real possibility. The second is second conditional, used for hypothetical situations in the present or future. Hypothetical situation. There is about, let's say, a 10% chance of this may happen. If he wins the lottery, chances of winning a lottery are very slim. But if he wins the lottery, he would travel to Spain. The result is guaranteed. If he wins the lottery, there is a very slim chance of winning the lottery. But if he does win, he will go to Spain. The third is the third conditional, used for hypothetical situations in the past. In the past, this second conditional talks about present or future, while the third conditional talks about the past, which has already happened. If David had studied, he would have passed this test. Had studied. If David had studied, he would have passed the test. So this talks about past. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned about conditions or conditional statements. This is something that we often use in the English grammar and it is very necessary that you will learn it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button